Hey guys, I wanted to just make a quick series of videos, survival series videos, just in case of any emergency. Not what's going on right now, but just like any earthquake, hurricane. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own water at home. This is so easy, anybody can do this. I have seen some very disturbing videos going around recently of people like getting in fights and altercations. I even saw a video recently of someone breaking a wine bottle at a grocery store and stabbing somebody in the back of the head with it over the last case of water. And I just have to say, you guys, right now, I know people are scared. I know people are, I don't know if you can hear it, but my neighbors are clearly having an end of the world party. Their words, not mine. They're all off work, like they've been sent home from work and they've literally been partying since last night. Anyway, maybe I should shut this. Party on, friends. It's just kind of been crazy, and I know that there's a lot going on and people are scared, and I totally understand. I just think right now more than ever we need to be like extra kind to one another. I kind of just wanted to give some things that I know, maybe in case you don't already know them, to be able to help you guys at home right now. I know a lot of us are stuck at home. So Trav and I have been making our own water for a really long time now, actually, at home. And we keep them in these big glass jugs. And I'm gonna leave everything linked down below of what we use. Obviously you don't have to use what we use, but I'm just leaving it there as an option in case you want to. And we store our water that we make at home in these jugs. We have them all over. Here's another full one. There's a full one hiding behind the coffee pot. And we actually have one being made right now, and this is our water filtration system right here. For this filtration system, I know there's a lot of different ones that you can use. There's like the Berkey filter. There's this one. Again, I'll leave everything linked down below if you guys want to get it for yourself. But it's a really awesome thing to have because you can literally use any type of water. Pool water, your water heater water, your toilet water, not the one that's inside the toilet bowl, but on the back of the toilet. All that water can be used in case, for God forbid, like your water supply ran out and you weren't able to get like actual running tap water. You could use any water and have it filtered through the system. You know, you could use solar power if you needed to, if like the power went out or something. Do not hurt each other over bottled water because you could literally make it at home so easily. Making water, and as you can see, this is what was in our tap water. It's pretty gross, so that's why we like to filter our tap water. It smells pretty gross. Also, everyone still has running water right now, and tap water is perfectly fine to drink depending where you live. Where we live, the tap water is not very good, so that's why we filter it. But you also can use, a lot of people have these type of fridges. You can get your water from here, and then you can also filter your water, like I said. So you just take your tap water and put it into one of these filtration systems. It's super easy. You literally pour it into the container, plug it in, press play or start, and it makes your water. That's not like anybody can do it. Just kind of wanted to give you guys that little quick update, let you know how you make your own water at home. It's super easy. Again, anyone can do it. And yeah, spread the word so that nobody is getting hurt over the last case of water, because it's just very unnecessary. I also just want to say, like, this is not just something that you do in emergency situations. We do this all the time. It's just our way of making our own water. We have saved so much money without buying bottled water because we don't drink tap water. And we also just don't like the way the fridge water tastes. But like, you know, in an emergency situation, I will be drinking tap water in my fridge water if I have to. But it's really nice to have filtered water. A handful of people saying like, oh, well, that water's not good because it takes out all the minerals and stuff in the water. You can put them back in with like lemon, lime, or infusing them with fruits, but you don't have to do that. You get those minerals and stuff in your food. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. Feel free to share this video with anybody that you think might benefit from it. Let me know if you guys end up making your own water at home. Kind of cool, right? It's fun to be self-sufficient and not have to worry about like where you're gonna get stuff like that from. So we're gonna have some more videos coming up that we talk about toilet paper alternatives, how to make your own hand sanitizer, how to make your own cleaning supplies, and much more. So definitely stay tuned. And Thumbs up the video if you guys like this and want to see more, and leave a comment down below. Do you guys make your own water at home? Are you gonna start? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!